my intro flight today?
Yes, I am.
Awesome.
I'm Callie. What's your name?
Kayla. I'll be your instructor. It's like right at 6, so that's it. Clear prop. Let's go ahead and taxi over.
Sky Park traffic, Diamond Star 457 Tango Lima, holding short, runway 35.
Airspeed's alive.
Sky Park traffic, Diamond Star 457 Tango Lima, departing the pattern, 4,800, climbing 5,500 northbound.
So I'm just leveling off about right here at 5,500. So bringing some power back, pushing the nose down. What you're going to want to do is put your left hand right there. You're going to want your right hand resting on the throttle. Okay, so give me your controls. It's your controls. Okay, and then what you're going to want to do is kind of look outside the airplane, and you can kind of see what we're doing. So you can notice we're kind of climbing a bit. So you can push the stick forward. There you go. There you go. And I'll give this a little turn. So I'm going to mark the heading I want you to follow. So I'm going to twist it just a bit this way. And you're going to use your stick and bank us over a little bit until your heading is at the top. Follow that heading right there. There you go. Good, and then start to roll out. Good. Okay, so I'll reduce our power. We're going up. And
394 Cruiser 7 Bravo.
Sky Park traffic, Diamond Star 457 Tango Lima, right downwind, runway 35. Sky Park traffic, Diamond Star 457 Tango Lima, final runway 35.
I'm just watching right on center line. Starting our flare. Just like that. Nice.